So we have Prakhar with us. Prakhar, how are you doing? Everything good?
Yes, sir. Doing great here.
Nice. So Prakhar is currently in IIT Delhi. Prakhar, we'll discuss about Eklavya in this video. Why don't
Yes,
you
sir.
start with your introduction? I think most people would like
Uh,
to know about you.
my name is Prakhar Singh. I got AIR 236 in JEE Mains and AIR 92 in JEE Advanced. I am currently a student of IIT Delhi CS branch.
Nice. That's pretty impressive ranks, huh? How was your?
हाँ मतलब दोनों दिन अच्छा चला गया था.
Yeah, exactly. It depends pretty much on the day of the exam, right?
Yes, sir. Definitely. मतलब मेरा एक दोस्त था, उसकी अंडर 10 कंफर्म थी, लेकिन उसका दिन खराब हो गया, 50 के बाहर हो गया.
अरे ये यही चीज है कि ऑन द डे ऑफ द एग्जाम हाउ योर माइंड इज और किस तरह से चीजें चल रहे हैं, राइट? दोस थिंग्स मैटर अ लॉट.
हाँ. लेकिन मतलब अगर आप अच्छे से मेहनत किए हैं और अगर मतलब आप में पोटेंशियल है तो आप कहाँ अभी हैं डज नॉट मैटर दैट मच. एंड में मतलब इट विल बी मोर और लेस सेम.
So basically, like after your college selection, after that it just like everyone is on the same page, right?
यस सर.
Yeah. I keep hearing those that from a lot of students. Ki, sir, after you join the college, after that, the ranks and all those things, till that point only, joining the college or getting the branch
हाँ.
of college option, the combination you want to have, that's it. Nice. So
काउंसलिंग
let's
तक
talk about,
बस.
right? Huh? Let's talk about your journey in Eklavya, right? So how was your journey? Like, how did you get through to Eklavya, and how was your journey in Eklavya to achieve such great ranks or great marks?
So I was part of Vedantu in Olympiad program.
Mm-hmm.
So then I joined Sankalp batch. Then uh, Vikas sir asked me to join Eklavya, but I was not ready due to some time constraints. Then he again asked me, means I was in contact with him, so he asked me during second phase.
Mm-hmm.
So I thought that this is the right time. Then I joined the Eklavya program, and I had some conceptual lacking, so it also got betterment, and the test really helped.
Let's talk about the test. Very interesting point you raised. Let's talk about Eklavya test, right? Our famous Eklavya test. Huh? How were the Eklavya tests? How those helped you? And also, can you speak about the different types of tests we do?
The Eklavya test, they covered the whole spectrum. Means seeing the advanced before, even before the advanced paper, I was like, I have seen every possible paper. There cannot be a paper beyond the possibility which I have faced.
Yeah, that's a like pretty strong statement. कि सब कुछ कवर हो गया था एकदम, है ना?
हाँ मतलब ऐसा पेपर भी था जिसमें किसी के 360 आएंगे और 250 लाने में भी हालत खराब हो जाएगी, लाइक वैसा था.
Nice. I think you're talking about the NQTs, huh?
हाँ.
Do you remember what type of जितने थीम बेस्ड टेस्ट होते थे? याद है कुछ टेस्ट के बारे में?
हाँ मतलब पहला वाला तो आसान हुआ था. सोचा था कि मतलब टफ से स्टार्ट होगा, पहला वाला आसान हो गया तो उस चक्कर में थोड़ा सा वो हो गया. उसके बाद एक हुआ था जिसमें केमिस्ट्री को लिमिटेड टाइम दिया था, 45 मिनट्स दे दिए थे. हमें तो आदत थी 30-35 मिनट करने की, तो फिजिक्स मैथ्स में ही कम टाइम पड़ गया हमें.
Yes,
तो
yes. Yeah, those are like different themes of test we do, है ना? To check
यस सर.
कि okay whether the student is able to do well with this constraint or not.
हाँ.
What about the content you got for solving for in the Eklavya program?
The content was good, means I had read some things back during the preparation, but they were back of the mind. Like during exams, I could not recall them. So it helped me to get more used to them.
Hmm.
And if
Also,
any doubt was there, so the faculty was there.
also the chemistry sessions, we did a lot of chemistry sessions, right?
Yes, sir. It really helped. Means my organic was horrible, but it got better. And I got 36 out of 40, so it was good only.
In organic.
Organic.
अरे नाइस यार, बहुत सही है। ठीक है, सही है। देन आई थिंक यू आर करेंटली इन IIT दिल्ली, राइट?
हाँ,
डूइंग
यहाँ भी केमिस्ट्री का एक कोर्स है।
केमिस्ट्री का?
ऑर्गेनिक और फिजिकल है, तो मैं तो सोच रहा था फिजिकल ही ऑप्ट कर लूंगा, ऑर्गेनिक फिर से नहीं हो
नहीं
पाएगा।
ना। अरे you got 36 out of 40, so that should give you confidence.
वो वन डे परफॉर्मेंस। सेम पेपर दोबारा आएगा, 36 नहीं आ रहे मेरे।
That is true, huh? Hmm. सही है। So, are you enjoying IIT Delhi now? How is it going? You got friends and
हाँ
everything?
हाँ, मतलब हम लोग जाते हैं, बिलियर्ड्स है, फुटबॉल है, हॉस्टल में क्रिकेट खेलते हैं, टीटी है,
Hmm.
और बाकी मतलब ज्यादा आउटडोर स्पोर्ट्स तो अभी मतलब थोड़े रिस्ट्रिक्शन है, वो कर्फ्यू सीनियर्स के साथ इंटरेक्शन के कारण लिमिटेड है, 1 महीने बाद वो सब सीन सॉर्ट हो जाएगा। और बाकी ऐसे दोस्तों के साथ जाते हैं, कैफे यहाँ बहुत सारे हैं, राजधानी, अमूल, सीसीडी।
Inside the campus you're talking about? Campus के अंदर ही?
हाँ, एक कैफे तो हमें मतलब डेली की 2 ड्रिंक्स फ्री देता है आईडी
अच्छा,
कार्ड से रजिस्टर करने पे।
अरे बहुत सही है।
हाँ
चलो, we'll also come to your campus, let's see.
हाँ
Someday. ठीक है, nice, nice. Prakhar, enjoy, and we hope for your bright future, right? All the best,
थैंक यू सर।
and keep at it. Make our country proud. Obviously, we from Vedantu will always be proud with your performance going forward. Also, we'll keep a track of it. So yeah, all the best.
यस, थैंक यू सर।